Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you can make biscuits using your charcoal stove? Yes, very simple recipe. Join me as we go through this. So I'm going to use margarine. You can use butter if you want. I'm using castor sugar. You can use powdered sugar or confectionery sugar. Now you're going to whisk this together until it's smooth like this, looking very nice. Now guys, this is a very easy recipe. Try it out. So I'm using 2 cups of self-rising flour. Please check in the description on how to make self-rising flour. Yes, now you mix this in there together. Now add a bit of castor sugar on your worktop. This is going to make our biscuits nice and shiny, so try to knead it in there together. Try to mix this in there together. Our biscuits are going to look so nice and they're going to taste so nice. Yes, now we have our dough here. Put it aside. Okay, now I'm going to make this into balls and add them on my baking pan, or what I'm going to use as a baking pan. Now to make this flat, get your fork, dip it in a bit of oil and try to press it in there. As you can see here, try to make any shape that you like, but make sure that our dough is flat, as you can see in this. Our biscuits are looking nice already. Now this is my charcoal stove. I'm going to add in a bit of ash so that our heat is maintained at the temperature, not high, not low. Now in your saucepan, add a bit of salt, as you can see here, and I'm going to use this small stand for my cooking. Okay, we are going to cover this and preheat our saucepan for about 10 minutes until it's really warm. Now put in your dough inside like that, cover and cook for 30 minutes. Yes, it takes a bit longer when you're using a charcoal stove. If you're using an oven, please cook for 15 minutes. Our biscuits are looking really nice. Thank you guys for watching.